We'll guide you through how to change your Google password. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on a computer or phone, it doesn't matter. And also you can follow this whether you currently have forgotten your password or if you know it as well. We're going to keep this guide broad so you can go and follow along. So for whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you've gone and forgotten it, which is why you want to go and change it, as you want to go and sign in elsewhere. Or perhaps you're worried that somebody else knows the password and so you want to update it, or you just like to go and frequently update your passwords to go and keep your account secure. It's really important you keep your Google account secure and any account secure really, just because on your Google account, you've got loads of data, you've got Gmail, you've got Google Drive, you've got your Google Photos, loads of different things, loads of different Google services. So make sure this full guide and don't go and skip anything, and we're going to cover what you need to know to go about this. So what you want to do is head to google.com. You can go and do this in your web browser. So I'm already here, google.com, as you can see. Now come to the top right and you can go and find your profile icon and you want to go and tap on it like so. And here we are. Here you can see your account. If needed, press show more accounts and switch to the one that you want to go and change. Then you can press manage your Google account like so and be brought to your Google account page here. Come down and you can find the option for Google password and go and tap there. Wait for this to load. So if you currently know it, enter in your existing password that you want to go and change. If you have forgotten it, press try another way and you can go and enter in your password, use your passkey or try another way. Now I currently remember this, so I'm going to go and enter in my current password here. After you've done that, now we can go and start the process. So what you can do is go and choose your password. It needs to be at least 8 characters and then confirm it. And then you can press change password. And that's it. It'll then go and be changed and updated. And you need to use that going forward.